everyone. It is your friendly neighborhood pro-rich Nature Republic worker, Ali. Hello. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Songsong mask.
Songsong? Songsong. Songsong.
Cool thing about this mask is that it's not a normal mask. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to properly apply a mask. So first you want to hold that hair back. Then you want to wash your face with your favorite foam cleanser. Let me do that right now. Face is all washed. You want to use these to apply toner. Just put some toner right up on there. Start rubbing everywhere.
Rub off all of that gunk on your face. Okay. I see you, toner.
Like to shake. Just make sure you don't rip the mask, okay? Open toner mask. Open mouth, like that. Voila.
What do we have going on here? Oh, pull it out. Like so. Okay.
Now, we're gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? It is time! I'm back. It's been 10 minutes. And now, we're here to take off the lemon stuff. Now that it's all off, you just want to gently pat it with your fingertips. And ta-da! It's done! We're all done! Woo! That is how you use the mask. Hope you all enjoyed this how-to video and come to Nature Republic to get your own mask.